session as well. The session is getting recorded. Formally, it's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Shivashankar from Preeti Kitchen Appliances, and he has been interacting with us for the last 1.5 to 2 years. And we are so happy and delighted to have such a magnificent technocrat with us, and sharing his knowledge and expertise in different quarters as regards our department. And not only with the students, but also with the faculty members he has interacted, and not only with SSN. Through SSN, he has interacted with many students across the country through a program, joint program, which we organized very recently called Technovate 2020. And the second phase of it will be held soon. And because of this lockdown, we have to have a short pause on that, and we'll be having it soon. The second version or kind of the program or second phase of the program maybe. So on that note, this is a kind of a session arranged on behalf of the Institutional Innovation Council. We call it as IIC. So this is formed at SSN under the guidelines of the MHRD and ASCTE, and our institution is very happy to have such a council here. And in that council, we used to have different activities, and one such activity is arranging motivational talks from the entrepreneur side, from the innovator side, and from great achievers. And today's session will be following in that role. We'll have a talk from the best innovator we have come across, and its session is going to be by Mr. Shivashankaran, the identified innovator from Preeti Kitchen Appliances. Just to give a short glimpse of the speaker, I would like to share his short profile with you, just to give a pre-introduction. I'll just share a screen. About the speaker, Mr. Shivashankaran is an accomplished technocrat currently leading the new product development of Preeti Kitchen Appliances. As we are all aware that innovation forms a very important part and parcel of today's life, and he is now heading a division which focuses more on innovation and new product development. And with a strong background as a mechanical engineer, he has gained a wealth of experience in very important areas like industrial product design, innovation in the last 2 decades. He is a dynamic, performance-driven senior leader with a comprehensive achievement in various areas, like already mentioned as the product innovation and development, quality, the LCM, the manufacturing, the automation, operations, etc. He has gained expertise in different consumer durable home appliances also, and also in the writing instruments like pen Reynolds. I think he was working with Reynolds GM pens. Okay, that makes the Reynolds pen, which is familiar with all the students and across the world. It's familiar. And automotive plastics components and industrial component manufacturing. To his credit, he has got a certification from CIPET as well, and also a certified Six Sigma black belt. He has competencies in different areas and like quality areas, Six Sigmas and OSAs, etc., ISO, QMS, and whatnot. In addition, he is a noted expert in plastics injection molding, as I already told from CIPET. He has got some good certification from that. And at PKL, he is now currently leading the innovation, the development division. And he's, to my knowledge, with the interactions so far we had with him, he is contributing a lot, and not only to the no company, but also to the student society across, and not only to student society across, to the value that is adding, okay, to the existing knowledge in this field. And I think that it's our pleasure to have Mr. Shivashankar with us from great industry, Preeti Kitchen Appliances. Okay, so we might have all got this familiar phrase like Preeti Kitchen guarantee kind of advertisement. Okay, so that is a tagline that runs the entire industry, and the industry is run only because of the team members that are ably supporting the team. And Mr. Shivashankar is one of the able supports and the pillars, I can call, of those leading industries, and which in every household, okay, even though or more than what you know about Preeti's applications, your parents, especially the mother, okay, will be knowing it more, because at least one appliance will be there, okay, like a mixie or a bed grinder or an iron box, or any other LPGs, gas stoves, whatnot. Okay, now they have launched also chimneys and other things. So very interesting products are on there in the agenda of Preeti Kitchen Appliances, and recently acquired by Philips India. And what more you want to be a kind of a leader in innovative products, and to be a team who's leading, okay, the innovation team in a very great company like this, where billions of lives are